Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 13th and the chart of the day for today is Meta. This is a 45 minutes time frame here. So we can see right here that we are looking to extend higher within this wave 3 in the intermediate degree. Within the wave 3 it subdivides into another 5 waves, so we have 1 2 here, and then we will this one is another 1 2, right? So we got a nest 1 2 1 2, and for now, as long as we stay above 490 over here, we should be looking for further upside extension. So if we got a 3-ish pullback from here, then that 3-ish pullback likely is gonna find support and then extends higher. Now we don't necessarily have to go down again. We could have ended to here and rally higher as well, but generally it is bullish against 490 in the first degree, and if for some reason this level fails, then it will be bullish against this wave 2 here. This is the more important level from the bullish view, and this is the secondary level of the bullish view. Now if I zoom out, I had to give you some ideas about the stock here. We're going to focus on the wave 2 here in the intermediate degree. If I look at the 4-hour time frame, we bottom here back in April 25th, and it is clear that from here we rally, and then this is the same wave 2 intermediate degree we see here in the 45 minutes time frame. So if this is your wave 2, this will be wave 1, right? And then let's fill in the blank as well. So we got this 1 and 2 here, which is this 1 and 2 here, right? And if you want, just for the sake of completion, you can take a look at this wave 1, and you can see there is a clear 5 waves rally from there. So this should be your 1 2, this should be 3 4, and this should be your 5, right? So if you take a look at the structure here, you got a 5 waves up in the first leg. Now that first leg, depending whether you're bullish or bearish, I mean this could be wave 1 or wave A, right? But there is no reason to think this is actually wave A, so it should be wave 1. In any case, whether you want to label it as an A or a B, this is a 5 waves. You should see a 5 waves here as well, which I don't see it. I don't see a 5 waves from this low, suggesting the structure is incomplete. The other thing you can look at here is if you do the extension of this 1 and 2. Now that's your 100% extension, which is usually sort of the minimum target, right, for a third leg. So we are nowhere near the 537 so far, so we should be able to see a little bit more upside here to reach 537, or at least to complete a 5 waves rally from here. So we got the 1 2 here, and now looking for further upside against this wave 2, which is what you see in the 1 hour against this wave 2. And if this wave 2 fail, then this will be bullish against wave 2 in blue. So if the wave 2 in red fails, then you will go with this view like this, and then you're gonna be doing this, right? That will be the alternate view, but for now that's what basically our view here. If you look at the 1 hour RSI, right, even this last peak here is not really showing any clear divergence versus the previous peak. Now if this is a wave 5, it would have been very obvious there is a divergence, but in this case it's not very obvious of the divergence right at the peak, right? So most likely it has already started higher again. So like I said, the main view calling for a nest, so bullish against 490. If 490 fails, we go with the alternate view like this, and you're going to be doing a bigger pullback to correct this before the next leg up again. All right, so that is the idea right now from the Meta, guys. And if you do want to get more updates on this stock or any other stock, ETF, index, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. We also got a summer sale right now for some subscription plan, so you might want to check it out to save some money as well. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.